What's up everybody, Tom45 here, and we are back with another video, but today we're doing something just a tad different. We're gonna do a unboxing video. And right here, we got a old, I'd say Gulf War era ration, if I remember. And then we got our BlackDogBob special box that has three 24-hour rations. It's a mystery box. I have no idea what's going to be inside. So let's get these things opened. Alright guys, so you can see we got the two boxes here. And I'd say let's get the smaller one open first. Alright guys, so this is the one I got from eBay. It is a Gulf War era ration. Brown bag.
I'm really excited to open these up.
Alright, here we are. Here it is, guys. Still airtight. No air got into it. And this one is actually a chicken loaf. That's going to be pretty exciting to open up this one. But there's our one ration. Single meal. This is the big one with the 3 24-hour rations in it and extras. So let's get this open. And sorry for the black box, that's my address. I don't want you guys seeing it.
Here's the moment I've been waiting for.
Okay. Alright, I'm pretty pumped for this, guys. Okay. Oh boy. What do we got here? Oh, sweet. So, the first 24-hour ration is a British ration. It's H4. And I'm not 100% sure what kind H4 is, but that's going to be a nice one to eat, I think. I already had one British before, and this would be the second or third one, because I have one over on my shelf. Alright, up next, ooh, what's this? This looks like a Russian one? Dude, yes. Sweet. So we got a Russian one, a Russian 24. I've never had one of these type of Russian rations in this box. This will be a nice box to put up on the shelf, too. It's pretty heavy. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think of these. I've never had one of these large Russian rations. Guys, I can't believe my eyes right now. The one, we'll just forget about these. This right here has been a ration I've been wanting for so long. It's a German ration, guys. I'm speechless. Like, I've been looking for these, and if you're a ration fanatic like me, you know you really can't get these for under $65 just to pay, and probably another 20 bucks shipping. And I have one right here. I am psyched about this. Holy crap. You guys, yeah, it's already taped up and everything. I'm not going to open this one up. We're going to have to make a video, me and Ryan. But we got a German one, dude. Finally, what else do we have? Here's our extras. So we got some Zitron. It's probably just a flavored drink mix, but it's a German drink. Hartkeks. I have no idea what Hartkeks is. It feels like a cracker. That's pretty sweet. That's another German kind. Cafe. I'm guessing cafe would probably be coffee. An instant coffee. It's pretty nice. Zucker. Oh, Budweiser. I don't know. Excuse my German. It feels like sugar. I believe that's sugar. This is going to be awesome to follow up with our Gulf 4 Fingers of Death. We got beans and wieners. This one's gonna be awesome. That's a Canadian entree. Some raspberry beverage powder. Never had the raspberry. A apple flavor energy drink. This would have came out of a British ration as well. And then looks like I'm not 100% sure what these are, guys. Put this down in the comment section. I have no idea what this is. That's definitely German. And this is German too. To me it looks like some kind of tomato cream. Probably like a cheese or a pate. Or a jelly. I'm not sure, guys. Pretty excited about these too. So in our review, we got our Russian, German, and British ration. I am completely psyched about this. I want to give a thanks to BlackDogBob on MRE Info. Awesome guy. And I'm completely stoked about these. I've never had these two. I've had a British one before, but I've never had H4 or Menu 4. I've had 8. And I believe the other one I had was, or I didn't eat it yet. It's on standby, but I think that's 9. H9. I also got that one from BlackDogBob too. And then we have all of our extras, but oh, can't forget. We got our brown bag MRE. But guys, these are all going to be in a video, especially these 4, not so much those. Maybe a giveaway, I'm thinking. I have a bunch of extras, from international rations to American rations, anything. Australian, I got extras. So I'm thinking of doing some type of giveaway, but that's in the future. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been psyched about this. I'm sure you can tell by my talking. But if you liked the video, remember, give some love to BlackDogBob. And till next time, guys, you want to see these videos, they're going to be coming out, don't worry. So till next time, guys, peace out.